So hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to increase the bass of your speaker. First you need to clean the speaker, and if your speaker is of any plastic material you need to do this. If you have a wooden frame speaker then your bass will be really good. If not, you need to follow the steps. So first let's do the bass test before the modification. I'm playing the same song. I'm sorry I can't play the music cause of copyright issues. As you can see on full volume also, the bass is not that effective. So now let's increase the bass. Remove all the screws. Unplug all the cables that I marked. If you have a Ant Audio 600, this is what you should do because it's a really good speaker. Only this thing can help it become an even better speaker. So you'll need any old paper, or if you have a cardboard, a thicker but a foldable one, it will be very useful. So I used cardboard. If you don't have cardboard you can use paper. So this will basically increase the weight also of the speaker, and the sound quality also will improve. How, you ask? See, when you have something like plastic, no, it the sound gets distorted around the plastic, so you need something to insulate it. Companies like JBL and all, if you anytime open and see, though their speakers are of plastic, they have insulated it very well with sound dampening material. So this is our Jugadu sound dampening material. So according to your speaker size and shape, you cut it. It should not be perfect because no one is going to see what is inside the speaker. And once you have applied a single layer, please do apply another layer on top of it. And we need to secure this so there is no sound distortion. So you need to do the same for the side where the speakers are there. So you need to fill all these empty spaces with cardboard, or if you have paper you can use paper, but you will need a lot of paper. Please use waste only like I have used. I am not using any new cardboard, it's all out of waste. So if you're liking the video so far, please do hit the subscribe button and also like the video and share it among your friends who need a better sound quality speaker, so they can do this jugaad and make their speaker really good sounding speaker. So after you're done plugging all the wires back and screwing the speaker back, so it's time to do a bass test. So starting the speaker. So now let's do a new bass test with the new cardboard around the edges. So let's see how the bass is working. So as you can see, it's a lot better. See, the paper is rising also with the bass, so it is so high that I can pick it up with my fingers. And this is the same song guys, so you can see how it is working wonders. So sound is all about the more dense, the more deep bass you want, no, so you need the sound to travel in one direction. So when it is plastic, what happens? The plastic keeps vibrating along with the speaker. Now we have dampened it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned and share me your feedback also.